To extract a pin code from an address in Excel, the method depends on whether your data is consistent. Pin codes are usually 6 digits or 5 digits in USA. So here is the effective way to do it. So for this you need to use the right formula. Put the equal sign, type right, open the bracket, type trim, open the bracket, select the cells, close the bracket, comma, and put the number of digits, how many digits you want to take from the reference cells. For example, I have 5 digits in my cell reference. Close the bracket, hit enter, and here you can see that. So if the pin code is on the left side of the cells, then you need to put the formula, put the equal sign, type left, open the bracket, trim, open the bracket, select the cell reference, close the bracket, comma, and number of digits you want to take, 6, close the bracket, hit enter, and here it is. So this way you can easily get pin code from address in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.